Ayan. Hi everyone, good morning. So, dahil wala ako today, I'll be recording uh, or giving a video presentation ng pinagawa ni ate na time. Ayan. So, let me share my screen first. Okay. So, this is our ministry timeline. Ayan. So, yan. So, straightforward na. So, sa meeting with Bishop last December, he emphasized na for the year 2025 and year 2026, there will only be three encounters: April, August, and December. Okay? Ngayon, ano ba yung process bago makapag-encounter? Okay, so honestly, itong 1 to 4, medyo nalilito ako dito kung sunod-sunod ba na ganito, kung yung plan 40 ba talaga yung simula. Ganyan. Pero anyway, pero ito yon. Ito yung mga steps before makapag-encounter yung mga alaga natin. Okay, so number 1, plan 40, prayer for 3, 30-day prayer and fasting. So we pray for the people na goal natin i-invite. Yan, winning and consolidation, through OVE, harvest events, sports, winning through sports, ganyan. Tapos i-start up your new life natin sila. So, yun. And then life class party, and then life class lessons 1 to 4, and then encounter. And after that, life class lessons 6 to 9, and then they will attend the moving up or graduation, and then attend sila ng SOL 1 to 3. So, after all of this, leaders. Okay? Ngayon, given this, medyo malabo tong part na to. Given this, I made this timeline. Ayan. This one. Yan. Ito yung timeline natin ng ano ba yung dapat na ginagawa natin to send as many people as we can sa encounter. So let's start with this one. If example, ang ating encounter would be on April 25, yan, 26, tsaka 27. Okay. So dapat nagla-live class lessons na tayo, tama? So ang sinet ko na live class lessons dito ay March 16. That's batch 1. That's just live class party pala, live class party batch 1. Live class party lang yun. And if ever hindi sila maka-attend ng live class party within the week ito, yan 16, 17, 18, hanggang dito, kailangan ma-make up natin sila. Okay? And then for March 26, ito, nilagay ko dito, live class party batch 2 and live class lesson 1. Okay? Pag hindi sila naka-attend, ganun din, set ng makeup sa week na to. And then, on March 30, lesson 2, yan. On April 6, lesson 3, April 13, lesson 4. Okay, so, pero before tayo makapagpadala ng people for live class party, ano dapat ginagawa natin? Dapat nag-win tayo. So, yung winning na yan, sinet ko dito after natin mag-prayer and fasting. Yung prayer and fasting, yan. So, ideally, it should start tomorrow, day 1. So, in each prayer for 3, may target na dapat na people. Okay, that's day 1. And then, pag binilang mo, yung 30 days ay January 5, mag-e-end siya sa Feb 3. Ayan. So, after natin pag-pray sila, i-win sa spiritual realm. So, ito din yung dapat na klaro yung goal natin. So, actually, today pa lang, dapat we need to know our data. Okay? You need to set goals. Okay? And then, na. So, itong week na to, start na yan ng winning, bringing people, ang mindset mo, you need to bring people for life class party. Your goals should be clear. Yan. So, itong part na to, hindi ako sure regarding Plan 40. Pero nilagay ko siya na ang Plan 40, week 1, if I'm not mistaken, 5 yon. Okay, week 1 dito, week 2 dito, week 3 dito, week 4 dito, and week 5 dito. Yan. So, sakto, before mag-life class party, tapos tayo sa Plan 40. So, ideally, itong mga Plan 40 na to, dito nag-i-incubate yung mga magmamanpower sa life class party, magmamanpower sa encounter natin. So, we should all be here. And then, this will be decentralized, meaning tayo magsiset nito sa within the network. So, as you can see, ito na, nakalatag na yung process. No? So if you really want to send people for the encounter, which is on April 25, if it will be on April 25, kailangan meron kang life class party delegate on March 16 and March 23. Okay? Kailangan nagpa-participate ka talaga sa prayer and fasting. Yan. So that's our timeline. And then, ang labo nitong part na to. Pero, let's see here. Wait. Ito. Yan. So, this was mentioned December 10 sa primary meeting. So, yan. So, galing kay Bishop yung process. And so, yan yung niya, visualization niya for the next 2 years. Okay? And itong part na to, di ba, magsiset ka ng goals, it's important that you report it. Ano yung actual na life class party mo, ano yung actual na encounter delegate mo, and then you monitor your goals. Okay, so church-wide, kung makikita nyo, ito yung current na attendees natin for Sunday service, for cell groups, for number ng cell leaders, tsaka number ng cell members, ganyan. Tapos ito yung goal natin na madagdag by December, by 2025 and then 2026. So, pataas siya. Okay, so ito lang, add ko lang to. Pero I think si Ate na yung discuss nito. Important ingredients, number 1, the right spiritual atmosphere, your evangelistic strategies, yung mga nag-work before, huwag nang ulit gawin. Itong tray na to, absent ata ako nito. Hindi ko kayang mapaliwanag. Be a solutionist, goal focus, and yun nga, management and supervision ng goal. Okay, so this is impossible if you don't think like a leader and act like a leader. So kung makikita nyo, nakalatag na siya. So if 0 yung encounter delegate mo for 2024, it's because hindi either pwedeng nakapagpadala ka sa life class party pero hindi talaga nakapag-encounter or nag-win ka, hindi na-consolidate. So it will only be possible na makapag-raise up ng leaders through by making it a goal for them to attend in the encounter kapag nagsiset ka talaga ng goals. So, yun yung number 1. Okay, so thank you. And then, isisend ko na lang sa chat box yung calendar na to. Okay. Maybe gagawin kong white. Ayan. So, again, ito ay hindi final kasi hindi talaga natin alam yung date ng encounter. Okay, so adjust na lang natin sa network. Basta ang mahalaga, ngayon, alam natin yung personal data ng ministry natin and alam natin yung goal na i-hit by this year and next year. Ayun, so that's all. Yan, tapos na siya.